Minority Mental Health Project Community Voucher Program seeks to connect community members in targeted zip codes to quality, culturally relevant mental health care.
This episode features Damon Cobble, founder of the Minority Mental Health Project. Mental health from people who look just like you.
In addition to meeting the immediate mental health needs, I think it's also extremely important that we are able to connect the political, the social, and the economic conditions to the detriments of our health.
Damon is passionate about this work because he was once on the other side.
I realized that there was a broken boy inside of me. The impact it was having on me, on my family, on my relationships. I've decided to no longer subscribe to society's view of what defines a man. I decided to seek out the help that I need in order to progress as a valuable asset to my family and my community.
In an article published by the American Psychological Society, Dr. Howard C. Stevenson, director of the Racial Empowerment Collaborative at the University of Pennsylvania, shared that we should place less emphasis on whether Black men are resistant to therapy. If a Black man is able to find a treatment that is culturally responsive, that he understands, and that embraces the uniqueness of his difference, he is more likely to use that service.
As Black men, we have always been taught that men don't cry, to be the strongholds of our community and our families. We've been taught and trained to internalize, to suppress. So dispelling that falsehood is important to helping Black men develop the fortitude to open up and seek the help that they need.
Just as in all major industries, there's a scarcity of Blacks. Black psychologists make up only 4% of the doctoral level psychology workforce. And it is the lack of Black representation in these spaces that is preventing our people from getting help.
The unaddressed mental health issues is like a slow death. It can cause heart disease, it can cause high blood pressure, can impact our children in terms of their academic progress. It can cause anger, just a total dysregulation in a physiological way.
A long, jagged history of mistrust exists, dating all the way back to slavery. Despite the treacherous past, we need to rise up and be brave and rip off the stigma of mental health in our community.
And it's time as Black men to address this mental health stigma courageously. It's time as boldly address the broken boy inside of you. Help yourself, help your family, and help your community by breaking the chain of your emotional incarceration. You are not alone.